Yeah, it's on.
Not enough vinegar.
Oh, oops.
Not enough vinegar. It's not gonna...
No, it says to do that. It says, now gently squeeze the bottle and stand back. When you wish to remove the bottle,
Stephanie,
loosen
there's not
flat
enough.
cap.
Push the,
This will stop the bottle from erupting.
like, tip that or something. So the powder goes in
Not
it.
enough.
Oh God, Rooney.
Point it at Randy.
Hold on.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to put this on YouTube after you blow everybody's eyes.
Blow open my hair.
There's not. Is there enough vinegar?
Mommy, did you not fill this thing up or what?
He didn't put enough in it. Steph. Hey, keep that! I mean, Steven!
Rooney, don't keep squeezing it.
It's not coming
It's supposed to
out.
be an explosion to come out all the way.
Patrick, scoot back.
You're supposed to cut the straw.
It needed to be sealed. That straw's not tight enough. Problem.
Oh, it came out a little.
I know.
Here's another one.
Told you you're supposed to squeeze the baking soda.
It is.
It is.
It's
Steven,
getting
get back.
It's dropping down.
Oh my gosh. Go, go, go. Do it.
Hopefully
Getting the
the
explosion part. Julie, go back.
Steven's taking cover under the table.
Put that thing and then do it. Put the top of it, get them mixed good, and then blast it off.
I stopped it.
You can do it. Come on.
What?
Ew. It works.
Daddy, I might be able to send it.
I'll start squeezing.
You ready?
Steven, get back. No.
Come here, Julie.
No.
Move this.
That's what it's supposed to do. This is not tight enough this way.
Oh, I know
What?
No.
Take two.
The baking
That's
soda goes like
normal.
that. Goes from there.
That's Bombay. Red
Steven's
ribbon.
hiding
My
underneath the table
dog,
because they told me to
Angel.
get back. Oh, that smells bad.
Evie and her dog Dave.
I gotta come over.
Like, this is like the angle.
Oh, I totally forgot.
I wish I could get
They're down there. Steven.
It's not working.
Hi, Angel. What are you eating?
Or we can just uncap that and shove her finger.
Where's the last
It's already in there, Lovey.
Or you could just, like, hook it up.
You gotta seal it. It's gotta be sealed. It's gotta build pressure.
Well, you might want to back.
That's
Get the
about
cap.
all you're gonna get out of it.
Here, move. Move, I got this.
It's not draining. Either way.
You're supposed to
The
be
burp
way
smells
more.
like beer, Dave.
What's that?
Yeah.
Smell it. Baby!
She just got 3 blobs down there.
You mean?
Oh, Mom.
Then stir it. Olivia, stir it.
Not so fuzzy.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what it does, isn't it?
Let me get this.
The bad thing is there's vinegar in the baking soda.
We should have did that and wiped it down the volcano. Then.
Or we should have done it the opposite.
No, we did it right.
Baking soda. Wait, the vinegar's in there.
Patrick, the camera can't see.
Good job, Steph.
Oh, that stinks.
Oh my gosh!
It stinks really bad.
It's sticking apart.
Steven, get back. Dad, did you
It smells like cottage or something.
That'd be cool if we put it in here. Those would be cool.
I like the smell of dog poop better.
We all do
Get to
something.
the hole. Get to the hole.
Oh, dang it.
Where's the blue straw?
Nothing.
And push. I'm trying to make it get to the hole.
There, what is that?
We got an eruption going on. This was... Whoa, it's blowing up. Oh, no. It's just...
We're trying to get. We're trying to get a little to go down into this.
Watch it now, really good. Keep going. See how it's sucking some up every now and again? That's why it's an eruption.
Step to the
Look at it's 2 like bugs in there. They're just dancing.
They're getting drunk.
That's not.
Stephanie, can we have one more baking? Can we put baking?
Hey, do it again.
Baking soda
I
going
can
down.
smell it from over here, guys, and I'm pretty far away.
Yeah, that stinks bad.
Otherwise, it's not going to go down in the hole. Let it go down.
Eruption.
It's not doing it.
Whoa.
Oh, my face!
up more?
Daddy,
Yeah, let's.
can we make it puff up more?
Thank you guys for watching.
This thing's